Before I tell you about the Geo Shapes puzzle in this play kit, I want to tell you about the intentional progression of skills that your child is building through the puzzles that are in each play kit in this year. So first we have the circle of friends, and in this puzzle your child is understanding the simplest shape, so the orientation does not matter, but size really matters. And so they can slide this puzzle piece in, but they have to figure out which size goes in which slot. The next puzzle is this organic shapes. So orientation is really important in understanding how to fit these pieces in. Again, they can slide the pieces in, but they have to focus on orientation and use their pincer grasp. This is the first three-dimensional puzzle. This is the Geo Shapes puzzle. And this puzzle really focuses on dimensional knowledge. So they can no longer slide the pieces in, but they have to fit them in and start to recognize and see the shape and place it on top vertically to complete the puzzle. And this last is their first jigsaw puzzle. And the trick with this puzzle is figuring out orientation. So in this puzzle, they have to actually figure out how to adjust the shapes and flip them over to complete the puzzle. So they can't make it like this doesn't work, and then they figure out eventually that this works. So, a lot of kids will complete the puzzle like this, and it's great exploration. And then eventually they'll figure out if they flip the piece that it will complete the jigsaw puzzle. We're kind of puzzle nerds over here, so excited about the progression of skills that your child is learning in this year of play kits.